So I'll be showing you how to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy A55. Now keep in mind that this will wipe away all your user data, all your downloaded apps, all your data, accounts, everything is going to be deleted from this phone. You can do this in case you want to sell or give away this phone. So go to settings. On the main settings page, scroll down to general management, tap on that. And then under general management, tap on reset, and then scroll down and tap on factory data reset. Now it's going to tell you everything about this factory reset. You can scroll all the way to the bottom and tap on reset. Now it's going to ask for your password, PIN or pattern, so just give that, and then it's going to afford you the option to reset by tapping on delete all. So that's going to clear all the data and restart the phone, and it's going to go back to the welcome screen from where you can set up the phone afresh. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.